So here we are at the LA Auto Show. We're over here by Jeep actually to check out the cool experience that they have. You can see the Jeep behind me. They go up there and then they'll go down and then they go through all the bumps. Like just kind of take you like on a little off-road course, just kind of show you what it feels like. And you really wanted to try it. I definitely wanted to check it out. I love it. You excited? You ready to go on there?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So let's go. Yeah.
Crazy
Whoa. So we just finished the Jeep experience here at the LA Auto Show. We got to ride, as you saw in the video. What'd you think, buddy? It was crazy, all the bumps and turns and the speed. Yeah. It was pretty cool, I ain't gonna lie. Definitely a cool family experience. Even anybody's experience, really. Drivers are great, they're friendly. If you have any questions, you can always ask. You can kind of tell them, hey, go a little slow. Or in this case, this guy was like, let's go fast. And yeah.